the spiral shape at the entrance of the park?
Yes.
It means you are in a national park. Now we are in the Parc National des Écrins. Later on we will go to Parc National du Mercantour. Those are like very protected areas. You're not supposed to sleep there in the van, and it would be very stupid to do it because there's like a special nature there, either regarding the plants, the trees or the animals. So the idea is like to implement some effort to conserve it and keep it as wild and protected and pure as possible. The first national park in France was created in 1963, and the one where we are now, the Parc National des Écrins, was created in 1973. So the other one, the first one, was called La Vanoise. It's a little bit up north in the Northern Alps. We'll go later on in the trip.
Snow starts here. More or less 50 centimeter, no 60. Oh, there is a water under you. As you can see how thick snow is. And glacier is just there, up there, and refuge should be around here. Something is happening there. We hear some noises like snow is breaking or rocks are falling down.
I heard the noise cracking.
Yeah.
Going down, I will sit on my bottom and I will slide all the way down until there is no snow.
So in the end we arrived at this point. We are gonna remove our rocket and walk up there. The ridge is under snow, especially this part.
Lunch is pretty light because we were expecting to arrive earlier. So we already ate one banana, so we have one banana to share, 2 apples, cashew, almond, cranberries and cereals bar. Bye. Allez, c'est parti.
Before leaving, I'm just gonna show the rooms. The rooms. There are so many beds. So you can really do big activities, big group activities here. There are another dorm
You
here.
want me to open the door?
Voilà, on y va.
Allez, c'est parti. On descend.
Voila, it's a big moment. She's gonna try to slide.